Y'all thought I wasn't cooking no more. Chicken Alfredo. Yeah, baby. Back again. Take the chicken out, let it thaw out. This is going to be a quick video, okay? This is going to be no fucking around this time, okay? We're going to make it really quick. It's very simple. All you need is noodles, okay? Chicken breast, your seasonings of choice. I like to use garlic salt, garlic powder, redundant, shut the fuck up. I like to use pepper and onion powder and a little bit of your garden variety Italian herbs. Now, when I say garden variety Italian herbs, I mean something like this. So that's what we gonna do, baby. Let's get to it, motherfucker. Hiya! Oh, cut it. This is called butterflying, okay? That's when you cut it in two pieces. It was thick as fuck. And now I got two lovely pieces. And now we gonna season these bitches up. You know what it is. Yeah. Yeah, then my boy up there chefing it up. Yeah, you know what it is. Hey, what the fuck are you doing here? Hey, Bobby, you're not gonna use no motherfucking garlic salt, Bobby. You gotta use adobo, Bobby. Of course, all right. Let me use motherfucking adobo. You know what it is. Make sure you salt your water, okay? You want it about as salty as the ocean. Maybe a little less salty. That's a little fucking too much. That's perfect. You know what it is. All right, don't judge my pot, okay? Leave my fucking pot alone. I know it's all scratched the fuck up. Put it on high, because I want that bitch boiling. All right, pan, hot, olive oil. Chicken, seasoned, sexy. Chicken, olive oil. Chicken, olive oil. Man, just fucking hold on. I'll show you. Alrighty. What? I need a better scissor than that. Hold on. Alright, let's try this again. That thing got a little bit. Ah! Don't drop the chicken in the oil. Fuck. Ouch. Now what you want to do is, maybe he's blocking. You want to get a nice color on that chicken. You want it nice and tan. You know it's summertime and you go out and you tan your little butt cheeks. Well, that's how you want it. That's how you want the chicken. You want it tan. Yeah, you don't want no pale ass, look like it was boiled ass chicken. Get that shit nice and tan. Yeah, baby, tan on up. Oh, baby, you see how tan that bad boy is? Now this ain't even near to being done, so I'm gonna lower the temperature. I lowered it, and now it's not gonna burn on the outside and be raw on the inside. You gotta cook it slow. If you gotta add a little bit of water, do what you gotta do. By the way, this stuff that's blue, I'm gonna tell y'all a little secret. My wife showed me. She must have saw it on the internet. So let me turn that way down. So real quick, you take a little pot that you're not gonna use anymore. You're not gonna use for cooking. And you take your fabuloso, or you take your, we use pine sol, the blue pine sol. And what we do is we put it on low, and you kind of let that boil just a little bit and evaporate. And it makes your whole fucking place smell real nice. So makes it smell so fantastic. So make sure you do that. That's a little cheap way to air freshen your house, especially if you smoke weed. Yeah. Oh shit. So the chicken's cooking, right? So I did a little tip. This is just me. You don't have to do this. Oh shit, let me move that away. You don't have to do this, but I put a little bit of water and I covered it up to kind of help it cook all the way through, so you're not eating raw chicken, because you don't eat raw chicken. Because if you eat raw chicken, you die. That's what happens when you eat raw chicken. You pass on. You push up daisies. Okay. They don't call your number. Actually, if you eat raw chicken, you fucking deserve it. So natural selection. By the way, this is not a sponsored video, but I got the value size Prego Parmesan. I believe I've tried this one. Pretty good. I always find that the smaller size jars, they're never enough. So we done got the value size. and then your great value fettuccine. You can use a better brand. I encourage using a better brand. I encourage using a better brand. But it's a fucking $1, dude. It's noodles, dude. It's pretty much the same thing. So just save your money. Really, Dutch. And while you're waiting for your chicken to cook, use this time to do some cleaning. Clean while you cook. So you don't have to worry about the fucking dishes later. Just do it. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah. In the jungles. I'm just kidding. It's like mist. So chicken's still cooking, right? Water is boiling. I'm about to throw these noodles in. Yeah. So, yeah. It's all coming together, baby. Alright, so I just took out the chicken. It's resting over here. Let it rest, okay? Let it rest so you don't cut into it and all the juices spill out. Now, hold on. God fucking shit. Okay, so I put my sauce in here. I didn't clean out the pan because I want all that good chicken. There was no blood or nothing. The chicken was done cooking, okay? So fucking chill. So you can all that goodies in the bottom of the pan. See that coming up? That's all flavor, baby. We gotta heat up the sauce. Oh shit, noodles is boiling. Hold on, baby. I'll be right back. Yeah. So real quick, you should have just saw us chop up the chicken. When I say us, I mean me doing this shit all by myself, independent. Sorry, I know y'all don't want to see that mop bucket over there. So yeah, I just threw the chicken back in here, let it warm up, let the sauce and everything get all nice and beautiful. And then over here, you see what I did? Water's boiling, noodles almost done. And then the next thing you're gonna see is it all together, baby. Yeah. So that's it. Now, some people would have chopped the chicken and put it on top. I mix it in with the sauce. I'm more worried about flavor more than presentation, as you can see, but I gotta work on that. But delicious nonetheless. So there you have it, real easy chicken Alfredo, real basic, not like fancy schmancy. If I fucking had a kitchen that I can, like I had a barbecue in here, and I can grill the chicken, and I can, make the pasta by hand, I can do all that, but I don't have the equipment. So you gotta fucking make do with what you got, and this is what you got, and this is what you can do, and it's gonna be fucking great. It's gonna taste delicious. And yeah, so last but not least, I'd like to say thank you for watching the videos. Keep watching them. They're few and far between, but they're getting there, and you know what it is? Bon appetit, bitch. Yes. Oh yeah, and make sure you like and subscribe and share this video. Share the video. If you don't, fuck you. I'm just kidding.